Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida. Fam, as promised, I'm back with the completion of our money box and gift box for weddings or birthdays, anniversaries, for any type of event that you have that you want to give something special to a loved one. This is what we have. So I think we left off where we was just starting to put the bling 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 on the gift box, and as you can see, I'm still doing that. I added quite a bit more of bling, you will see throughout this. So I'm just telling you what's going on right now, and then I'm going to stop talking about this one, let you finish watching it, and then I'm going to come back with the money box. So guys, enjoy, and you will hear me in just a moment. I added some totally dazzled bling 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 to this project, and I think this is exactly what the inside needed. It needs something really sparkly. So guys, if you want some really sparkly bling mesh wrap, all colors, then totally dazzle is your place to be. So guys, after this you will see the finished product, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know down in the comment section if you enjoyed it, if you liked it, because I enjoyed making it. So fam, as you're going to see with the money box, I go way overboard with the bling. I just loaded it down inside and out. I just enjoyed this one. I am going to keep this one and give it to one of my family members as a gift. As you can see, I'm putting Mod Podge all over it to secure it, to make it, seal it, should I say, so that we can hold the structure of the box. Fam and guests, if you like what you're seeing so far, please take this opportunity to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you will never miss an upload from us. For the inside of it, I chose the black and diamonds. I thought that would contrast really well with it, and I decided to put some silver glitter around the edges for the inside because it was getting kind of like messed up and crunched up, and I wanted the inside to look good as well because you will see this when you open and close your box. So I decided to put that on the inside rim. For the inside pull, you see I chose to put rhinestones there. It was a 3 strands. I started off with the 2 and then I put 3 strands there so that it would cover it up. So it took two strands and 1 single strand to cover that part. Bam, isn't this turning out beautiful? And guess, so if you like this, please don't forget, as I said, to hit the like button. Also, guys, if you're new here for the first time, please go down in the comments and leave me a purple heart so we can leave you some love. And as I said, I loaded it up, and see, this is the front side. But guys, I would say the little opening that you use, make sure that it's secured really well with the tape because it did seep through. And now I'm doing the back of it. I'm putting 3 stones all the way across it. And when you see the ending result of this part right here, guys, I think you will be amazed just like I was. I truly enjoy making this one as well. I think this one is my favorite. I don't know. It's a toss-up. It's a 50-50. So you tell me down in the description box, comment area, which one was your favorite and which one do you think you would try to recreate. This also looks like a little purse, guys. And as you see, I put some Totally Dazzled up there too. So Totally Dazzled, they have you covered all the way around. They have you blinged out. So guys, if you enjoyed this segment of the video, please let me know. So if the gift box was your favorite, put gift box. If the money box was your favorite, put a $sign. I know, put $sign for this one and put a gift box for the gift box. You know, the emoji things, you know what I'm talking about, the clips. Put a gift box for the gift box and a dollar bill for the money box. So guys, I see you next time. Enjoyed this DIY. So if you did, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly, truly, truly mean it. Oh guys, and our name has not changed. It's still going to be Design on a Dollar. That's what God gave me. That's what y'all like, and so that's what it's going to be. Design on a Dollar.